Right, so now the primer's dry. What we're going to do now is just pad on the colour. This seat here, you can see there's quite a few cracks and bits and pieces in here. So what I do is I try and aim for maybe getting 2 or 3 layers of colour on just by padding it on. And what we're actually doing when we do that is we're sort of pushing it into the cracks and getting a build up of there, so it's almost sealing in the valleys. And also places like inside the pleats there, I usually push the colour right down deep in there because it's going to help as far as getting colour into these, into the stitching, into the pleats. And then of course with the excess I'll just blow it out with the air gun. So again, just dip the stocking into the colour and pad it on. This is sort of the fun part, you can start to see results from hard work of prepping, and this is where it really starts taking shape. While you're actually doing this process of padding the colour on, as I said, we're going to put probably 2 or 3 layers of padded colour on. Between each layer, just in between each of the layers, just rub your hand over the top of it, and if it feels gritty, get some sandpaper, something like about 600 grit sandpaper, and just give it a light denib, and take all the any of the grit that's on there, see if you can sand that out, because it's better to get it out in the early stages than actually wait till you've finished and then try and move it out of the finish after it's been covered up with half a dozen layers of colour. So what I'm going to do here is I'll put a bit more into this cloth, and I'm just going to push it down right into those plates. So it's almost just flooding it in there. And also around the stitching, I'll push it right into those areas as well. This looks pretty good. And then grab my ego and just blow it out. You can see all the excess just coming out with it here. Just wipe that off. So there's our first layer of stroke colour put on there. So what I'm going to do now is cut away and go ahead and do the rest of the seats, and then we'll come back once this is dry and give it another go.